Assalamu alaikum, my dear students. Welcome to NIVS Home School. Hope you are well by the grace of Almighty Allah. I am also fine by the grace of Almighty. This is Erfan Ullah, Assistant Teacher of Islam and Moral Education, Morning Shift National Ideal English Version School, Bonusri, Dhaka. Now, I am going to conduct a Islam and Moral Education class for class 3 students. Our today's topic is short question number 3 and number 4. Lecture number 2 is W number is also 2, term half yearly 2022. It's my name and here is my mobile number. Okay, let's begin. Short question number 3. Question number 3 is, what does the word Rajak mean? Answer: Rajak is an Arabic word. It means risk provider. My dear students, we know that there are 99 attributes name of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. Rajak is one name of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. It's a one attributes name of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. It means a risk provider. Allah provides our risk. He is the risk provider of all creations. Not only he provides risk for human beings, he provides for all creations. Then, question number 4. What is the tasbih of sijda? The answer is, performing sijda in salat is farj. That means obligatory. For us, that means obligatory. We have to say tasbih in sijda. The tasbih of sijda is Subhana Rabbiyal A'la. We have to say this 3 times. We also say tasbih in ruku, that is Subhana Rabbiyal Azim. And we say this tasbih in sijda, that is Subhana Rabbiyal A'la. I am repeating. Question number 3. What does the word Rajak mean? Answer: Rajak is an Arabic word. It means risk provider. Allah provides our risk. He is the risk provider of all creations. Then question number 4. What is the tasbih of sijda? Answer: performing sijda in salat is farj. That means obligatory. We have to say tasbih in sijda. The tasbih of sijda is Subhana Rabbiyal A'la. My dear students, our today's SW topic is question number 3 and 4. You have to submit following this SW topic. Okay, my dear students, I expect that you have understood today's topic clearly. Keep practicing at home and abide by your parents. See you later, inshallah. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.